Hi, Jeremy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Can you tell us who you are? What do you do?
Sure, I'm Jeremy Forsberg. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer and VP for Axel.
What is that?
So Axel's it's a decentralized application ecosystem. We've been operating for about 6 years, but what we've decided to do now is add blockchain because we don't want it just to be decentralized. We want it to be distributed. And the main thing behind that is we want people to have greater custody and control over their content, over their data.
Okay.
So we're building this to help content creators, such as yourself, to give them greater control because a lot of platforms take a lot of money. They control your content. They tell you what you can do with it.
Okay.
We want to allow content creators to be full in control of their data, what they're doing with it, and also working with their users so that their users' data isn't necessarily being exposed to everybody who just wants to sell it off.
Got it. So are you guys a platform or are you guys a browser?
So we are a platform.
Okay.
We have an existing application ecosystem, but we're building our own blockchain, which is going to be our own protocol. So other people can build decentralized apps on our protocol, safeguarding their data, keeping it private, but also giving them greater control. So we want content creators such as yourself to go build your own application. So you can build streaming, you can build monetization over your content, but you decide how much you want to charge for it. You can let your users contribute and interact with you. So you can do a variety of different things with it. So it's really giving people greater control over their data. It's good for your users and your viewers. It's also good for the content creators because you're going to make more money. The users are going to have to spend less, and it's also going to keep their data safe.
Sure. What's the difference between you guys and Poet?
We are building our own blockchain with a dual chain, so you have a public and a private chain. So it's going to allow people to decide what data they expose to the world. So it's really privacy focused. We're big believers in privacy. Our existing technology has patents on it that protects people's privacy. So we're really focused on privacy. We're also creating immutable token IDs and non-fungible tokens so that you can connect that to your digital asset, so a video, and then you know who's using that video. So it attaches it, you protect your intellectual property because the value in what you do is the things you create and the content creators. So we want to give them control over that. And so we've taken a very different approach to blockchain because we want it to be something that has real world use for people.
Yeah, got it. So what's the stage of the company right now?
So we have a couple million users on our existing application ecosystem. We've been around for 6 years, so we have technology, we have patents, but we're in the process now of building our own blockchain and integrating it with our system. So,
how many users do you have?
We have over 2 million users.
Woo! And what right now you guys are application, right?
Yes, so we have iOS, Android, Mac OS, Windows, and web. But then we're obviously integrating our blockchain into it.
Got it. So for my understanding is you guys already have a centralized application before it's for the content creators. Now you are adding the blockchain technology to that to make it decentralized and also distributed.
Yes. Actually, a lot of we do have a centralized component, but actually the majority of our application ecosystem is decentralized already.
So it was already decentralized?
It was, yeah.
Wow.
So people
More
can
like
store
P2P, person to person?
P2P, absolutely.
Got it. Yeah.
But we want to make it usable for people to do that P2P. So P2P is very clunky for a lot of people. It's not always easy to use.
Sure.
We want to make it really simple so that everybody can use it. Everybody controls their data.
Yeah. How many people do you have right now, like team-wise?
So we have about 100 people on the team, about 60 developers.
Wow.
We have an executive team based in Las Vegas, but we have offices in China and in Europe.
Okay, wow. Where's the users coming from, like global-wise or?
Absolutely global. We have users from U.S., China, India, mainly the Northern Hemisphere, but we do have people coming in from South America and Africa as well. So it's a truly global ecosystem.
Got it. So, do you guys still need money right now to raising capital?
Yeah, we're looking to conduct an ICO because we want to accelerate that program. We also want to be able to get more people on our application quicker. But no, we've been operating under our own funding for so far. But we want to move faster. We want to get this to as many people as possible, as quickly as possible. So yeah, we are looking to conduct an ICO.
Since you guys are already in this business for a while, do you have any suggestions to people who are just getting in right now?
Yeah, be persistent. Yeah, be persistent. Make sure that you keep at it. If you have an idea, stick with it and believe in it. Be willing to be flexible and evolve that idea, but you have to be passionate. You have to wake up believing in what you're doing, loving what you're doing, and believing in your idea. Because if you believe in your idea and you're passionate about it, others will believe in your idea too.
You are a very energetic person. What's your secret to keep this energy all day long?
A lot of coffee.
Coffee, okay.
A lot of coffee, but I enjoy what I do. You know, I believe in the technology of what I'm doing. I have a lot of really amazing people around me who keep me motivated, and I think that's it's. I don't think it's any great secret. You just have good people around you. You got to believe in what you're doing, and like I said, yes, coffee.
Cool. Got it. Thank you so much, and
No
good luck.
problem. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is Heidi. I really hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends.